I got some great news! Scale of the Universe Part 2 is here! Disclaimer. Please see Scale of the Universe Part 1, then understanding the Scale of the Universe, to then watch this video, okay? Last time on Scale of the Universe, we were in the mid-size scaling the Eiffel Tower. It's around 1,062 feet tall. Well, our next building is the Empire State Building at around 1,454 feet. Next up is the tallest building in the world, the Burj Khalifa, at a whopping 2,717 feet. Quite impressive. And now we journey into mountains. Mount Monadnock in New Hampshire, USA, is around 3,165 feet, the first of our mountains. Mount Washington is next, known for extremely bad weather, at around 100 days of rain a year, and it's about 6,288 feet. Olympus is next, and known for its mythology too. It comes in at a whopping 9,573 feet, but we're going to turn it into miles, so that would be 1.8 miles. One of our more famous ones is Mount Fuji, which is actually a volcano. It comes in at around a whopping 2.5 miles, which is impressive. Okay, let's go big. Mount Everest at a whopping 5.5 miles. Okay, no more medium. Let's get into part 3, the large. We're going to be cosmic this time, so let's start with Miranda, which is a daughter of Uranus. Still treating the solar system like a family, okay? Miranda is about 95 miles. Enceladus, one of Saturn's moons, is 313 miles, which is even more impressive. Here's a fun fact about Enceladus. It created the E-ring, the outermost ring of Saturn. Outermost means farthest away from something. Dione is another moon of Saturn, but this time at around 698 miles. Here are some others, including Titania, Oberon, Charon, and Rhea, which surprisingly might be hypothetically having rings. I'll add the rest of the dwarf planets in this too. Just take a second and look at it now. Lots of things in there, am I right? And wouldn't you know, the moon is around this area at around 2,159 miles. The Galilean moons. This would include Europa, Io, Callisto, and Ganymede. Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system. It's so big that it's bigger than Mercury, a planet. Surprisingly, Titan, the second largest moon, is also bigger than Mercury too. Luckily, they aren't as big as Mars, or the other terrestrial planets of the solar system, because gravity would go bonkers. Let's introduce the gas giants: Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, and Jupiter. They are massive. Before we go any further, let's take a journey through our previous comparisons on the Scale of the Universe Part 2. Now, Saturn's rest of the rings are here, including the E-ring that I talked about 2 minutes earlier, or probably 1 minute earlier, who knows. And they're quite massive in distance. Take it with the sun, for example. Now, I get that you might think that the sun is pretty big, And it is. But compared to almost anything else, it's tiny. Take, for example, Sirius A, the brightest star in the sky, which some people can see. Sirius A is about twice the size of the sun. Quite impressive if you ask me. Procyon A is our next star at around 2 times the size of our sun, or 218 Earths. Next up is one of the giants, Pollusk, at around 9 times the size of the sun. It is quite impressive, actually. Imagine you are the sun, and then Pollux walks right up to you. At least it wouldn't be Polaris at around 37 times the size of our sun. Pause. We're now going to go to part 3 soon, but part 2 is over now. Bye, and I hope you like and subscribe.